Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. In today's video I am going to be unboxing my Papercraft Society subscription box. This is available from Craft Stash and is box number 22. I do get this box every single month. I buy it with my own money. And then I unbox it on the channel so you can see what's inside. I also leave a link in the description box of the video so that if you want to sign up to the boxes, both yourself and myself will save a little bit of money off of one box. And then later in the month I also do a crafting with the Papercraft Society video using the box, just for some inspiration and to make sure that I'm using them as well. So as I've said, this is box number 22 and this is by Ruth. We have had a box from her before. It was right at the beginning and it was an exploding box, card box. So it was really fun. I'm trying to think if we've had one since, but I'm not sure we have. This one is beautiful sunflowers. Look at this box. And I believe some of the money from this box is actually going to a charity, but I can't remember which one. So let's jump in and open the box. So as with all the Papercraft Society boxes, the first thing you find is a message from the creator on the lid, and this one says, "Crafting is the only way to escape without leaving home." And you know what? I absolutely agree with that. There is in the bottom of the box a voucher to get some money off flower forming foam, and there's also going to be a craft along with Ruth as well. Okay, so I won't show those for now. Now a couple of videos back I did ask whether you liked me to maybe start with the tissue paper as opposed to the booklet, but everyone said no, keep starting with the booklet. So I am going to put this to one side. Interestingly, there is no sticker on the tissue paper this time. There's normally a Papercraft Society sticker, so I don't know whether that's just me or whether everyone's stickers are missing, but I'm not that worried because it just means that the tissue will be easier to reuse. So my first thoughts on this wallet is it's absolutely beautiful. I just love these sunflowers. I had a friend who absolutely adored sunflowers, and sadly she passed in 2016, I think it was now, very suddenly, but every time I see sunflowers I think of her, so I love that this has got sunflowers all over it. Okay, so the wallet has messages as well. The first one says, "Craft away your cares and stress." And inside we have the dies, which I would say it's pretty obvious that's going to make a sunflower up, and it looks like it's going to layer. So 1, 2, 3, 4 that definitely layer there. I'm thinking maybe that one goes on that one, and then you have various leaves and foliage, and there's a sentiment as well. Thanks a bunch. It's quite a good one, isn't it? I like this little braided piece here. That's really interesting. So it's a nice die set. I don't have any sunflower dies, so those will be fun to use. So let's just pop those back in there for now. Right, next up it says, "I like to party, and by party I mean craft." Oh, well, in that case I party a lot. I partied all day yesterday, most of last night. Okay, let's have a look. So we have some, looks like pop outs. Let's open it. Yeah, so these look like die cut pieces, which are lovely. I like the little foiled bee on that one. And then we have, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not liking that. We have 2 of those. I'm really not liking that. I don't know why, but that is not me at all. This one I like a lot though. Look how pretty this is. Isn't that beautiful? Really like that. And this one is very gorgeous as well. It's two of those. I really like that. It's almost like it's either a window box and you can see the garden wall, or it's a border with the wall. I like that a lot. That's really nice. And I like this one as well. That's really pretty. They actually sent some sunflowers home with the kids from nursery recently, so it was around Father's Day. I think it was to give to Daddy for Father's Day, so that's currently in the garden, so hopefully it'll grow. But yeah, these are quite nice. I'm just not loving that first one. It's just not me at all. But I like those papers, and I really like these die cuts as well. Let's put those back in there. And the last section of the folder says, crafting is the best medicine. I think we can all agree with that after the last year. Definitely it was really good for mental health, crafting last year, and I think there was quite an upsurge and uptake in crafting. Maybe people who hadn't crafted before started, so it certainly helps my stress levels and my well-being. And we have a stamp set, so let's have a look at this. We have Get Well Soon, we have the jam jar, we have the sunflowers again. In a world full of roses, be a sunflower. That's quite nice, I've not heard that before. To a special person, we've got happy birthday, sunflower, sending you love and sunshine. That'd be quite nice, wouldn't it? Sending you love and sunshine. We have the cord to go around the jar. Got little bumblebees. So quite a nice little stamp set there. Let's pop that back in the wallet for now. And let's explore the tissue paper. So sunflower yellow it had to be, didn't it? And I love it. Such a happy colour. What is in here? Okay. Now, I know what this is because I used to use it all the time, but I don't get why we've got it in a Papercraft Society box. This is florist tape, and these look like florist wires. So I used to work in a florist's for many years. I've worked in 2 different florist shops, so I've used these things before. So these are really good if you've got gerberas. You can put it up through the base and then wind it around the stem, and it will help your gerberas stay upright, because quite often after a couple of days your gerberas will start flopping over. So you can use them for that. Obviously you can always also make buttonholes with these kind of things. Not really sure why they're in a Papercraft Society box. I'm definitely going to have to look at the inspiration in the booklet that comes with the box to find out, but definitely be useful for when I have gerberas at home. And then we have, what's this, little, looks like little beads, so they'd be great for shakers. Obviously it'd be very good on the sunflowers as well, so you could add texture to your sunflowers. And we have some gingham ribbon, again in sunflower yellow. This is the booklet that comes with the boxes. So what you get in here is a lot of inspiration to help you using the boxes and things. It also tells you what's in your box. Now that is normally a double page spread, and they've only put it on one, which is quite interesting. And then here you go, it just goes through with different inspirations from different people. So I'll definitely have a look at this at some point, because I want to try and find out what we can use these for. There you go. This is in partnership with Mental Health UK. So as far as I'm aware, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure some of the money from this box is going to that charity. If I've got that wrong, definitely let me know in comments, but I'm pretty sure I read that somewhere. And the last thing we have is coordinating cardstock. We always get some of this with the boxes. unsurprisingly, we have some sunflower yellow, which I'm really happy about. I really like this colour. It's a really happy colour and it definitely goes with the box. Then we have 2 green, we have 2 pale yellow, and we have 2 pale blue. So that's everything that's come in the kit this month. I really like the sunflowers and it's something I can definitely use. I'm definitely going to be going through this inspiration book to see why we have these. I'm guessing you can probably make 3D flowers and then they'd come in useful for those. And as I said, there was the voucher to be able to get some money off some flower forming foam at Craft Stash as well. So again, probably helping you with making some really realistic sunflowers. Let me know if you've got this box and what you think, and if you don't have this box, I'd be really interested to hear of what you think of the contents and whether you'd be interested in getting them in the future. The next one is by Crafty Individuals, so I haven't seen what's in the box or anything because I don't tend to watch the reveal videos ahead of time. But I really like the stamp sets that I've had from Crafty Individuals in the past, so I'm excited to get that box and see what's in it and what we can do. I will definitely get my thinking hat on about what I can do with this box and put a video up within the next few weeks using all these items. So definitely keep an eye on the channel for that. I might well incorporate some of the past boxes as well, just to try and spread the inspiration around across the boxes. But I definitely try to only use Papercraft Society boxes when I do those videos and not use my own stash, so that if you have got a collection of these boxes, you'll be able to just join in. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and ring that notification bell for updates of when I upload. I will be back soon with more videos, so I hope you are all safe and well. And until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.